What is passive income and how can we grow our investments using passive income? Passive income minimizes the effort we spend to generate income. It is a revenue model where we make our investments work for us. We do not have to work constantly to earn passive income, and the investments we make work for us just like a factory and generate income for us. I think this income model is an income model that all investors, from small to large, would like to achieve. It's a great opportunity to achieve financial freedom and the opportunity to live the life we want. Budgeting for passive income sources can be a great way to build wealth in the long run rather than spending your money on investments that can be riskier and waste your time. It gives you time to realize your other interests and hobbies in your life. If you apply the right and sensible strategies, passive income investments allow you to build your intended milestones much faster. I am trying to produce videos for you that will contribute to your financial life and knowledge. I hope the information I shared with you is useful to you. Do not forget to subscribe and give your opinion in the comments. Number 1. Investing in real estate. You can expand and diversify your portfolio by investing in real estate. It is a type of investment in which most wealthy people invest heavily to earn additional income. Investing in real estate is serious business, so you need to know the basic strategies of rental real estate business. You can invest in houses, land, or buy other physical properties and wait for a long time and earn high profits. In both investment situations, it is important to understand how real estate investment should be made, the market situation, and what strategies should be applied. If you have the right strategy and knowledge, you can make profitable investments that will relieve you financially and bring you prosperity in the future. Number 2. Investing in stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks is one of the most effective ways to build wealth and gain financial freedom over time. Often, newbie investors have a hard time investing in stocks and bonds. This is because they are not experienced. Investing in stocks and bonds should not be intimidating to you. You can easily make these investments if you know the necessary risks and the returns they can bring you. Mutual funds provide us investors with diversification in stocks and bonds. Mutual funds provide professional services to beginner investors in gaining knowledge in the stock market more easily. By providing research and guidance, they facilitate investing in stocks and bonds. Number 3. Investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be very risky in terms of portfolio size, as well as very high returns and profits. With the rise of some well-known cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, many investors have become moderate about investing in cryptocurrencies. While long-term investments in cryptocurrencies can yield huge returns, short-term traders can also make good returns. In my opinion, the cryptocurrency market is the money market with the most opportunities right now. It is difficult for new and inexperienced investors as the risk-to-reward ratio is high, but it is a very good opportunity for experienced and knowledgeable investors. Do not forget to subscribe and give your opinion in the comments.